The question is, can you outplank me? Hi, I'm Angel, or ZGALA, and I'm doing a planking challenge. It's day 58, maybe 59. I don't know. I need to check. I've not been super consistent. Still nursing an arm injury, but I am here today, and I was here yesterday, so there. And yeah, I've been pushing about 2 minutes. A little more some days. I just missed my 30-second mark. So coming up on the 45-second mark, I'm going to go and do a plank. And remember, it's not about necessarily beating me. It's about beating your old time, seeing if you can do better. Although, a little healthy competition never hurt anybody. Or usually didn't. I'm going to focus on breathing. Like to imagine my inner David Goggins about now. All right, I think that was 2.5. Keep going, keep going, keep going if you're going. If you're doing that with me, I'm going to stretch out my fronts. Starting to lose form there and breath. But I'm getting stronger. I started at about 1 minute when I started after a long break and an arm injury. Keep going if you're going. Again, it's great to have a little competition, but mostly it's about improving on yourself. And I find I wax and wane. I call it the cha-cha-cha. I'm going to do a little stretching of those arms. I'd love to know how you're doing, though, speaking of friendly competition. And just, I find it helps to hold myself publicly accountable sometimes with stuff. So it's part of why I do this. And I have a Facebook group where I do 100-day challenges as well. I did feel that, feeling it. Didn't do any warm-up. Anyway, as always, I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for being you and letting me be me. I'd like to remind you that fitness is freedom. And it's not about doing one thing one time. It's about showing up consistently for yourself, learning to love yourself, listen to yourself, making stretching and strengthening a regular part of your life. So I hope that I can inspire you to do at least a little bit more of that. I like to remind you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description if you want to find ways of supporting me. I got a couple books on Amazon. This is one of them about building the Head Hutt here. A mega sculpture that I built with these hands. Ooh, got stuff on that hand. As always, stay curious, stay courageous, stay free. Ciao for now.